My full names are Jeremiah Onduso Ombegera. I'm in Harvey, Western Australia. I came to Harvey today to learn about dairy farming. I've seen a farmer specializing in Fresian cows, 600 of them. I've learned much, but one thing I've learned most is that the farmers do their own work, and it's a family business. It's very encouraging. At home, we normally say that we lack resources, but we can we can do self-employment if we can take such skills home. This is a Harvey Dam in Western Australia. They have preserved water for domestic use, and it is a very big dam. They are doing water treatment tests. They have prohibited people from fishing, swimming, and rock climbing. They are very careful in protecting people's lives because they don't want people to be in danger while climbing or swimming or rock climbing to the water, to the dam. Today we have been to a dairy farm in White Rock Dairy Farm, southern Australia, in Western. It's got 100 dairy cows. They are milked twice a day, early in the morning at 4, and the milking takes about 2 hours to finish. The milk is stored, and then they are milked in the afternoon from 2 o'clock. When I'm there for 2 hours, at least at 4 they finish. Then we learned so many things. The dairy cows are milked by machine, and is specialized in Fresians because they are good. They've got much milk compared to other breeds. The farm is they started about 1884, and it is a family farm. They've got 2 workers who milk the cows, and Harry, the grandson, is the manager.
We milk 600 here, and we have another little dairy across the road where we milk 150, so 750. And yeah, each milking, so this is a 2-man dairy, and 50, so there's 50 stalls.
Yeah. He took an agricultural course in the university, and he is the manager. He even took a course in AI. They use artificial insemination, but during weekends they release bulls when they go to rest and relax from hard work after a week's hard work. Then the milk, the whole milk is sold. They don't make any dairy products in the farm. And normally 2 boys who take care of the animals. The havers are taken back to the homestead at 2, and they drive them by using motorbikes. The cows were going around, and the milk was taken from each cow to a central tanker where the milk is collected from. And they see it carries about 600 liters. Yeah.
And
the cows are fed on grass. They feed on grass, apart from hay, which they use when it is very dry. But the watering is very available. It's near where the cows can get it, and the water is not a problem. Then when it comes to milking time, they are put in a central place, and then they are at least one at a time. But they all line up in the milking parlor using milking machines. But sometimes they use test for mastitis. There are equipment they use, and then if there's mastitis, they just milk before they put on the machines. If there are challenges with the diseases, they normally they didn't have much except they didn't have many challenges except deworming, which is not really critical of it, but they have some sprays which they put, and then it's spread all over the animal. They don't spray. This one, adding to what I know, I think it would assist me in maintaining a few 2 or so cows. Yeah. Comparing farming in Kenya, we use a lot of manpower to man a dairy farm. But here, only 2-3 people can manage it with a machine. But in Kenya, you find very many people put in just a small business or as a small an enterprise. Yes. So I learned that the owners do it. They don't need for employment. He went to university and is doing the family business. He's supporting the family and those who buy their products, especially milk. Okay. Yeah.